Which component of blood is responsible for transporting oxygen? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Answer. A. Red blood cells. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and transports it to various parts of the body. What is the average lifespan of a red blood cell? A. 10 days. B. 60 days. C. 120 days. D. 180 days. Answer. C. 120 days. Red blood cells typically live for about 120 days before being broken down in the spleen. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A. B. C. AB. D. O. Answer. D. O. People with blood type O negative are considered universal donors because their blood can be given to any other blood type. Which blood component helps in clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. White blood cells. D. Plasma. Answer. B. Platelets. Platelets are essential for blood clotting, helping to prevent excessive bleeding. What percentage of human blood is plasma? A. 10%. B. 45%. C. 55%. D. 90%. Answer. C. 55%. Plasma makes up about 55% of the total blood volume, consisting mainly of water, proteins, and electrolytes. Which protein in red blood cells carries oxygen? A. Fibrinogen. B. Albumin. C. Hemoglobin. D. Globulin. Answer. C. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that binds to oxygen and carries it to tissues. What is the normal pH range of human blood? A. 6, 5 to 7, 0. B. 7, 35 to 7.45. C. 7, 5 to 8.0. D. 6, 8 to 7.2. Answer. B. 7, 35 to 7.45. The normal pH range of human blood is slightly alkaline, between 7.35 and 7.45. Which blood cells are primarily responsible for the immune response? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma cells. Answer. B. White blood cells. White blood cells, leukocytes, play a key role in the body's immune defense against infections. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? A. B. C. AB. D. O. Answer. C. AB. People with AB blood type can receive blood from all other types, making them universal recipients. Which organ is primarily responsible for the production of red blood cells? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Bone marrow. D. Kidney. Answer. C. Bone marrow. Red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow through a process called erythropoiesis. Which of the following is a hereditary disorder affecting hemoglobin? A. Leukemia. B. Thalassemia. C. Hemophilia. D. Anemia. Answer. B. Thalassemia. Thalassemia is a genetic disorder that affects hemoglobin production. What is the liquid part of blood called? A. Serum. B. Platelets. C. Plasma. D. Fibrin. Answer. C. Plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of blood, containing water, electrolytes, and proteins. Which type of blood cell is involved in fighting infections? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Neurons. Answer. B. White blood cells. White blood cells protect the body from infectious diseases and foreign invaders. What is the primary function of hemoglobin? A. Transport of carbon dioxide. B. Blood clotting. C. Transport of oxygen. D. Immune response. Answer. C. Transport of oxygen. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen in the lungs and transports it to tissues throughout the body. What mineral is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? A. Calcium. B. Potassium. C. Iron. D. Sodium. Answer. C. Iron. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, helping to carry oxygen in the blood. Which type of blood cell has no nucleus? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Lymphocytes. Answer. A. Red blood cells. Red blood cells lose their nucleus during maturation to provide more space for hemoglobin. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Answer: D. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of proteins required for blood clotting. Which condition is characterized by an abnormally low number of red blood cells? A. Hemophilia. B. Leukemia. C. Anemia. D. Thalassemia. Answer: C. Anemia. Anemia occurs when there is a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin in the blood. Which blood cells play a role in blood clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. Lymphocytes. D. Eosinophils. Answer: B. Platelets. Platelets are cell fragments that help stop bleeding by forming clots. Which blood group system is the most important for blood transfusions? A. ABO system. B. RH system. C. MN system. D. KEL system. Answer: A. ABO system. The ABO blood group system is crucial in determining compatibility for blood transfusions. Which of the following is not a function of blood? A. Transporting nutrients. B. Regulating body temperature. C. Storing calcium. D. Defending against infections. Answer: C. Storing calcium. Blood does not store calcium, but it helps transport nutrients and defend the body. Which organ breaks down old red blood cells? A. Liver. B. Spleen. C. Pancreas. D. Kidneys. Answer: B. Spleen. The spleen removes old red blood cells and recycles their components. What is the term for the production of blood cells? A. Hemolysis. B. Hemipoiesis. C. Leukocytosis. D. Thrombocytosis. Answer: B. Hemipoiesis. Hemipoiesis refers to the formation of blood cells in the bone marrow. What is the Rh factor? A protein found in the blood. B. A type of antibody. C. A type of white blood cell. D. A type of blood clotting factor. Answer: A protein found in the blood. The Rh factor is a protein found on the surface of red blood cells, determining if blood is Rh positive or negative. Which blood type can only receive from the same group? A, B, B, C, O, D, AB. Answer: C, O. People with O blood type can only receive blood from other O type donors. What percentage of blood is made up of formed elements, cells? A. 10%. B. 45%. C. 55%. D. 90%. Answer: B. 45%. Formed elements like red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets make up about 45% of the blood volume. Which of the following is not a type of white blood cell? A. Neutrophils. B. Eosinophils. C. Basophils. D. Erythrocytes. Answer: D. Erythrocytes. Erythrocytes are red blood cells, while neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils are types of white blood cells. Which protein helps in blood clotting by forming a mesh that traps blood cells? A. Albumin. B. Fibrin. C. Hemoglobin. D. Globulin. Answer: B. Fibrin. Fibrin forms a mesh at the site of a wound to trap blood cells and stop bleeding. Which disease is caused by a lack of clotting factors in the blood? A. Hemophilia. B. Sickle cell anemia. C. Thalassemia. D. Leukemia. Answer: A. Hemophilia. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder that affects the blood's ability to clot properly. Which substance in blood helps in the immune response by attacking foreign substances? A. Hemoglobin. B. Albumin. C. Antibodies. D. Fibrin. Answer: C. Antibodies. Antibodies are proteins produced by the immune system to help neutralize pathogens like bacteria and viruses.